Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be starting a new topic in math, and it is called all about telling time. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn about something called an analog clock. So you see those words, analog clock, right there? Can you say that with me? Analog clock. An analog clock looks just like this. It's a type of clock that has two hands, an hour hand, which is short and red for our purposes, and a minute hand, which is long and blue. And so these are our two hands. We have our minute hand and we have our hour hand. Now, our minute hand tells us what the minutes are, and our hour hand tells us what the hour is. So, what number is the hour hand pointing at, boys and girls? Can you take a look? Yes, the hour hand is pointing at the number 1. Now, our minute hand is pointing at 12. And when our minute hand is pointing at 12, it tells us that it's 0 minutes. Okay, so let's take a look at my tools. So this is going to tell us that this is 1 o'clock. Do you see how it says 1 o'clock right there? All right, let's take a look at the next slide. All right, so now they're telling us about, it says, the times that Laura goes to school and leaves school are shown on the clocks below. Write the times. So she goes to school at, where is that little hour hand pointing at? The 8. And we already said that whenever the minute hand points at the 12, it means 0 minutes. So we're going to say that she goes to school at, oops. All right, maybe I have to write it in. She goes to school at 8. Why isn't this working? Sorry. She goes to school at 8. And then we're going to do our dot, dot, o'clock. 0, 0. All right. Now, she leaves school at, where is my little minute hand pointing? That's right, 3. And then our hour hand is still at the 12, so we know that means 0, 0. So 3 dot, dot, o'clock. Good job, boys and girls. All right, so now let's erase that so we can go on to the next slide. All right. All right, I'm going to stop that right here, okay?